The first thing I picked up this week was a pair of Hokas. I always look for Hoka shoes because they have excellent resale value. Even Hokas that are used retain a lot of their previous retail values. Lucky enough, I was able to find these at a red, white, and blue in Florida for $30, which, seems a little steep for, used shoes. They're well worth it because I can get anywhere from $50 to $60 on eBay because one, they're barely used, and two, they're a good size. They're women's, I believe, 8.5. And also they're a very unique color design right here. Looking on eBay, I couldn't find any comps at all that had this really cool design. I think I can ask more money because it's just so cool and unique. Next up, I got some Jordan 5s. These Jordans have a really cool color, as you can see right here. They do have some use, but I'm pretty sure I can clean them. These are youth shoes, so I think they're for like 6, 7-year-olds, but that's okay. They do rip pretty well on eBay, actually. I picked this up for $25. I should expect on eBay to get anywhere from maybe 50 to 40 range. If they were new, they would easily be like 150. I'm really happy I picked these up for $25. Next up, I got this Lego Star Wars Porg. Just look how adorable he is. Oh my god, he's so cute. This I picked up for only $5. When I did open it up, only half of the bags were there, which sort of sucks. But anyways, since this is a retired set, meaning they don't make these anymore, unopened in the box, these sell well over $100. I should have no problem getting maybe 30 or 40 for this. Next up, I got a Kobe Bryant youth jersey. I'm really excited about this find because one, it's Kobe Bryant, and two, it was only $6. So it was pretty much a steal for that price. It just needs some maybe ironing or to get some of the wrinkles out, but besides that, it has like no stains. It's very clean. I should get probably $25, maybe $30 for it. I also got some more Legos. This time it was about a 9-pound bin for only $10, which was insane. For some reason they really underpriced this bin. Unfortunately, the minifigures were really lacking compared to the other bin, but still, for $10, buying 9 pounds of Legos was a steal. Next, I picked up a Toronto Raptors cap. This isn't vintage, but it still looks sort of vintage slash retro, which I think is more in demand. Got this for $5. I should have no problem getting $20, maybe $25 for it. I should have no problem getting that money because one, it still has the tag on it, and two, it pretty much has never been used. It just looks like it's been sitting in a basement for a few years. But hey, with a little cleaning, I can fix that. Or I think I can. I also got a Duke Blue Devils hat. The same thing applies with the other one. Still has a tag on it. Pretty relatively in good shape. I don't like buying really used hats because you have to clean them, the sweat stains, and they just lose a lot more of their value if they're just really used. So I try and get really lightly used and brand new hats if I can. Also got this Vancouver Grizzlies cap, which I'm really excited for. Some reason it was $1 less, even though I think it might even be better than both the other hats. On eBay new, I'm seeing the same cap going for $30, which is insane. I would ask maybe $25 for it. The lowest I would go would be $20, but I would try and shoot for $25 for this. If these caps don't sell, I'm just gonna keep them because they're so cool. That's the problem with reselling, because a lot of stuff I buy I really like, and I'm I don't want to sell some of this stuff, Another thing I picked up from my eBay store was a thermos. An ABC Wide World Sports thermos. It's actually vintage from the 1970s. Oh, that's prehistoric times if you ask me. But hey, it's super cool. You have all these different athletes on it, which is really cool. Unfortunately, the condition is a bit rough on this. I'm not sure if you can see it from here. There's some scratches and a big ding in it. But besides that, it's in relatively nice shape. That's what it looks like inside. Well, nothing really much inside. Just like my soul. You can see it right here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm not an antique person. I don't really know a lot about antiques. So this is sort of like a new really thing for me, but on eBay, these things do pretty well. When these mugs are in really good condition, they sell for, I think, 50 to 40, but since this is pretty banged up, I would probably list it for no more than $25. For picking this up for about $6, it was a bargain. That was my Darth Vader impression, if you didn't notice. I picked this guy up for $5 out of red, white, and blue. Box is a little, I shouldn't say a little, but a lot messed up, as you can see. For Lego sets, the box actually fetches a lot of its value, surprisingly, so that sort of sucks. I'm not sure if all the pieces are there. They look all accounted for. So if all the pieces are here, I think they are. I'm hoping. I'm crossing my fingers. I should be looking for about $25 to $30 on eBay I should get for this, you know, including the box. Last but certainly not least, I got this nose cleaning device thinger, saline nasal irrigation, irrigation, sorry. But anyways, this was pretty cool. I got this for 25 cents at a thrift store. Crazy. That's even more crazier than picking this up for 25 cents is that it actually sells on eBay for a good amount of money. People really like this thing. Like the salt packets that go up your nose, you know, this, that's like the system thing. It all looked there to me. eBay used, this is going for like 30 bucks, like pretty consistently. Like who would want to buy like a used nasal cleaning device? I don't know, apparently people do on eBay. Anyways, I should, you know, get like 30 plus for that on eBay, which who knew? If you guys want to see me find incredible deals out of red, white, and blue, click on this video. Or if that doesn't, you know, float your boat, then watch this video where I go to the Goodwill bins. That's pretty cool, right? You like that gun effect? It's pretty cool.